Are you tired of throwing away spoiled food or constantly running to the store for last-minute ingredients? In this video, we'll share with you 7 foods that you should always keep in the fridge to save time, money, and reduce food waste. Let's get started. 1. Eggs. Eggs are versatile and can be used in many recipes. They also have a long shelf life when stored properly in the fridge. Keep them in their original carton to protect them from absorbing odors and flavors from other foods. 2. Milk. Milk is a staple in many households and can be used for cooking, baking, and drinking. Keep milk in the fridge to extend its shelf life and prevent spoilage. 3. Cheese. Cheese can add flavor to many dishes and can also be enjoyed as a snack. Store cheese in airtight containers or in its original packaging to prevent drying out and spoilage. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of protein and can be used in sweet or savory dishes. Keep yogurt in the fridge to extend its shelf life and prevent it from turning sour. 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like lettuce and spinach can be the base for many meals and are packed with vitamins and minerals. Store them in airtight containers or plastic bags with a paper towel to absorb excess moisture. 6. Berries. Berries are a sweet and healthy snack and can also be used in desserts and smoothies. Keep them in the fridge to extend their shelf life and prevent mold growth. 7. Butter. Butter can add flavor to many dishes and can also be used for baking. Keep butter in the fridge to prevent it from spoiling and becoming rancid. And there you have it, 7 foods that you should always keep in the fridge. By doing so, you'll save time, reduce food waste, and always be prepared with ingredients for your next meal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks in the kitchen. Thanks for watching.